I am literally in the woods by myself right now. And this is where I shout la da la. Got all my shower stuff. That's where the water comes out of. It's a little tube. Yep. To prepare a shower when you're in the middle of the woods. So here we got our water. It's pretty warm and it's a really hot day, so you don't need it boiling hot. Into your basket that you can hang on the hook. Carry your basket and your water to shower house. Choose a bin that's big enough for you to fit in. Now that you have everything into your bin, you're ready to attach to the hose in the shower house. You want to comb out your hair before you get into the shower because you only get about 8 to 10 minutes in the shower with the water that you can carry. Try not to spill any. $16-quart pot is big enough to fill that bag for you. And if you're able to, you can stick a tube into an old jug, like a sports water jug. That'll work for you too. Alright. Okay. Put that on the floor for a shampoo twice a week and condition every day. Ta-da! You're ready to fill the little bag. It's a good day for a duck. I gotta get up on this made. As you can see, it's a homemade scaffold that my uncle and I built. And we have the bag tied. Alright, now you're ready to have a shower. The water is warm enough for you. You got yourself a shower. First slow trickle. Hallelujah. You're going to put your shoes in a dry place. Improve your shower experience. Just leave a top layer on, like your t-shirt, and it'll keep you warmer. After you soak your hair, just let it trickle out like that. So, first order of business, shampoo your hair. Do it quickly. After you've put the shampoo in, you gotta put your conditioner in right away. While you're living on the land. Hallelujah, Jesus. Soak your puff really quickly because you don't have a lot of water. You only have like a few minutes to get washed up really quickly. I would just focus on getting the top of your body washed and the bottom of your body will wash itself. Don't forget to condition twice. Into the wash bin. Your shoes to dry. Baskets are great because you can put your stuff in the basket. Experience of the northern shower. Laundry boards and hang it out to dry. It's a good way to reserve some energy. Don't forget to bring your stuff with you. Enjoy some sunshine. For me, I'm going to punch around the bag a little bit. Do a little 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 1. Yeah. Good job. Always put on your coat first or your sweater because it's cold.